Every time I enter Bank of America, I feel degraded. For the olden days of courteous customer service has faded. What once was a place to borrow for a common monetary need became unmannerly tellers and bank fees for horrifying greed. At Bank of America, unpretentiousness and service is scant, and every payment, in or out transaction, is a fee they transplant. The company wants to keep one in debt with credit and debit cards, while for their customers the banking society has no regards. The harsh system is designed to become richer when one bounces checks in order to keep customers under obligation over necks. The country should have let them die before fees to ATM machines and before they levied high fees on checking and for using their screens. Speeches were delivered for a bailout like the Sermon on the Mount, so Bank of America could charge more fees on customer accounts. Instead of the tax dollars it took to save the unscrupulous banks, we banking customers should have destroyed them with military tanks. Bank of America and others paid its top cats greedy money, then made underhanded, feeble-minded foreign loans that went funny. We, the screwed customer, should have left Bank of America burning instead of continuing to give them our hard, laborious earnings. Bank of America used their bailout money for advertising and teaching their employees the subtle tricks of expensive lying. Like all businesses that have screwed in incorporated rotation, they are proclaimed as organized and necessary corporation. For the gluttonous fees the corporation charges in the long lines, we should get to have sex with the tailors for their heavy banking fines. If the customer does not like the interest rate, there are no refunds, while banks make greed on overdraft protection and insignificant funds. The Scrooge should protest with marches for the less fortunate laborers, as the erect and fertile institution destroys the workers. Bank of America, like the countless other banks, gives no rewards, and its customers should urinate on their sharp taxpayer billboards. The perverted ATM and crooked checking fees are way too high, and so we as a nation should have let Bank of America die. The bank tellers and service representatives are not rude for free, and every complaint against the corporation is another fee. Every plundered customer is screwed over by greedy, soiled hands. And that is all the corruptive hack called the CEO understands. Bank of America helped to destroy the economy badly, while a high fee for writing this unflattering poem is charged sadly.